Hello and welcome to the Moorhead-Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 1998 New Holland 590 with 12,000 bales of use. Let's take a closer look at the features on the square baler. This 590 produces 3x3 foot bales and features a last bale ejector, along with 4 double tie knotters, knotter cleaner and auto lube, and is silage ready. This 590 features hydraulic pickup lift, a single axle, and a 1000 RPM power takeoff. Thank you for viewing this 1998 New Holland 590. If you're interested in a square baler and would like to contact your sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.